Hello viewer, welcome to Tech Revealer. Do you know that someone can monitor your WhatsApp chat using another device like phone and PC, and the person will be able to monitor full activities on your WhatsApp without your knowledge? In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to check if someone else is monitoring your WhatsApp chat using another device. Guys, before we get started, support this video with a like and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done so. The first method I'm going to show you on your WhatsApp is to check if your WhatsApp has been linked to another device. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but this is a very powerful method in which someone can use to monitor your WhatsApp activities. So go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select link devices. So as you can see here, my WhatsApp is linked to Google Chrome on Windows PC. So what this means is that someone that have access to that Windows PC can be monitoring my WhatsApp activities. And in some cases, it will be without my knowledge. Now, a lot of people are not aware of this linked device. So someone can get your WhatsApp, tap on the linked device. In this case, you can use a mobile data. You input your password in case you have a WhatsApp password. Then you scan to add a device to your WhatsApp. So with that done, the person can read your WhatsApp messages, go through your WhatsApp call logs, and the rest. Now, I've actually seen a situation whereby a wife was reading the husband's phone from a home PC, as a PC that's domiciled in the house. The wife was going through the husband's WhatsApp activities without the WhatsApp knowledge, and that particular action actually led to their separation. So guys, always go through, as a security check, always go through your link device to make sure that you don't the device you don't trust, or the device you currently don't have access to, is not logged into your WhatsApp. So in this case, you can remove this device by tapping on the device, tap on logout, and you'll be logged out of this PC device. So that's the first one. The second one is to check if there's any spyware application installed on your phone. Now, someone can install that application, or sometimes you can download those applications unknowingly into your phone. When downloading other applications, like maybe and other files like free music, free movies, and the rest, most of those free download sites, they install spyware application in your phone without you knowing. So how do you check if there's a strange application that may be monitoring your WhatsApp in your phone? Go to your settings, look for apps or app manager depending on the kind of phone you're using. In my own case here, I'm going to tap on apps. So app management. Here you're going to scroll through all the applications in your phone. Now, in case you see an application that you don't know what the application stands for and you did not install the application, although there are some applications that are called blockware, those applications came with your phone pre-installed. Now, apart from the blockware, if there's any other application you have no idea about, go ahead and uninstall the application. And another fast way to spot a spyware application is that their logo, you may not know what their logo stands for. So in case you see an application like that, please go ahead and uninstall the application. So guys, that's how to check if your WhatsApp is being monitored using another device. Please give this video a like, also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.